Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file a claim with MetroPCS. At first go through web browser and search for Metro by T-Mobile. Open the website of Metro by T-Mobile. Next log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the homepage you will see message icon. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu select Contact Us option. Scroll down to Call Customer Service. You can call and request them to file a claim. They will guide you through the process for filing your claim. Or you can tap on this Chat with Us option. Chat with representative and request them to file your claim. A file claim with Metro by T-Mobile means submitting a request for compensation or replacement when something goes wrong with your phone, usually if it is lost, stolen, or damaged. So, that was all. Thank you for watching.